Hello everyone. This lecture is to teach you how to make a for loop to be producing the similar output of the other. All right. So for example, if I execute this, then from this the file, the line by line in a quote. So that is an element of the entire list. So this will return a list. However, this guy is not going to. Just simply return the content. Okay, how can I make this to be like this? Okay, first the thing that you need to do is that you need to split the line. If I print that, save it, and if I execute this, then each line is a one list. Okay, this guy, entire file is in one list. That is the difference. So what we need to do is that we need to combine all of these lists in one. To make it, I want to make a temporary variable which is an empty list. And I'm going to, first of all, for each list here, I want to make, there are, each word is an element. So there are many words in a list. So I'm going to combine them. So there is a method called join. So I want to make a join. Join can take a list which is iterable. So that is okay. All right. So for this, after this, let's say print temp, then we will see the result of that temp. Temp is outside the for loop. So this is the final result. This is not yet done. So let's see what is that. So final temp is still empty because we didn't do anything with the temp list. But somehow they are combined. But this is not the same as the original file, right? So this is nothing but a list. So I'm going to append that here, right? If I do this, there you go. So it's one list. There is a quote from here there that is one line, and this is the next line, right? As you can see here, there is one line until the solution, and that this is another line. So from end to here, employees, that is another line, So if we execute all together, then we'll see the similar result. The second one is from this read lines. That's what you can see here, right? That is this in one. I'm sorry. That is in one list. From here, there's one list. Entire is one list. Same thing here. Entire is in one list. Okay. I hope you can understand. This read lines is very similar to the way that you do here. Here we use a split and join functions. All right.